93.3 FM.
Obuoba Yankopon Islam papa Yankopon Islam di an kan po ni po no dwen hu so di adwuma we ba ha ni pa kon di tum Yankopon Islam se ni pa na Obuoba no pe wa kan sima man papa Omo Yankopon kan ho na de kan ho na yi a kire wo
Obuoba many ma hu fama se and them nya because my trust every time we a product, to be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of you nyami shira obebre
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo atin ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo atin ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Done it before, you do it again. He done it before, you will do it again. Baba. He done it before, he will do it again. He done it before, he will do it again. He done it before, he will do it again, again. Oyineni mo. Wadani. Ono die won shen. Oni atro de biarada. Sawati asiye. Munyame anopei nina minyamina su. Da. I have a testimony. Come on. Akpe na mau. Akpe madana mau. Akpe na mau. Akpe madana mau. Saba akpe na mau. Come on. Oni bibi kachire radiana. The 29th day of November 2021. Hey, now no pay. So you have every reason to say thank you. You have every reason to tell the whole wide world that you have a testimony. Come on. I have a testimony. I do have a testimony. Come on. Come on. Akpe Namahu. Akpe. Akpe Madana Mau. Akpe Namahu. Akpe Namahu. Akpe Madana Mau. Aba Teba 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 Akpe now. Come on. Only you, only you, only you, only you, only you. Teba Akpe na 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 na. Akpe now. And I don't pray the Asidania ye de mouth Yasifo Yankopon. Dear Washay and Swabo and Hobine and I do my dos on my aim. On no carrying home. On your nipa. And I was sending ma any woe. Say Yankopon or Dia Bedru baby a dray. A yanadum and in a humor bra. Baby a baby dray. Yanya Hodin nim. Yanyan send him. And ya no be at it. Assembly to me can or a phobia to me can and I tree be a timmy can we say and I'm here to baby away. A ya dumb ah come on I have a testimony. I wanna say it now. Come on. Or the Ekodi weekend, no. Weekend no name was shit. Ne yene doson. Nanso rade or swayen what nin Korean taban so. Omu free and crying. Echo in Krasia. Omu free Kumase. Omu free Takorade. Omu free Miyahu Dwa. A ye chiri. Any benchain. A gradia so muna one Korean taban so. Oduomo akọ oduomo aba why na yes ade we e ya safo awurade a eni ti anopa wuchie me na over the weekend no mo ye yie na bepem sabre unyante bone omo makra so omo kofie no omo nyina koduru asumdwe mu wonte bone bia e wo sa busua na anopa mu nyina mo ka bom na mo ka kire awurade se akpe na mawu I don't pay yet. Yes, that mano. Ah, Shaba, Shaba, Shaba. Yeah, Samba Bium. I for God and country, and I have banana pay. I babe 2 hours some paniso. Kindness and to say free sub break up himself on Dubabo. Your family favorite radio station. I can kind 93.3 FM. Yes, Sinkonya. Flying on the wings of the solid production team in town. Udi and Kan Kami Aboa leading the team. Jampine Kofi Mensah. Kobi Kane Kwame Asante. Omo Kahubi. I don't pay Yatanase. Yeah, Baba Sumo Sumpa. Ghana betumia ye. Nasa Ghana betumia ye ya. Ejinaminu no so. This thing you guys have to work on it. Ha, you know what? Oh, my betumia ye. But when you say over the weekend, you know, Shasia Nano Friday in a cry. Ebeto just said the minority members in parliament unanimously rejected the 2022 budget statement and economic policy. And it's now pay. The rejection of the budget, you know, Eddie a whole lot of bruhaha Ediaba. But Anopai, we will see to it what has become a bone of contention. And we will unravel the secret, the mystery behind it. The rejection of the budget, is unconstitutional. Ebinum say it is constitutional. In Anopai, why not all kind of crack? Why not also can the otherwise? Come on. But what I know, and it's a young as Timemufono, we as citizens, do not testimony.
Tell the world my story of what you have done.
As a Ghana for Bebre, any minority not doing ya person, I budget and I was here rejected. Ya rejected. Even we say rejecting, I rejecting in Nimram. And as we speak, you cry a majority. Almost we should treat it with all the contempt he deserves. Disregard it. Dear Ben, but I don't pay. He didn't even come out the amount. 2020 budget. So we will look at the details of how he rejected. But we are reliably informed that 4 sick MPs were flown in to vote. 4 sick MPs. MP Makuma Nai Bini so yare. They were flown in to vote. I love my country, Ghana. Yera Dafia Makbo. Or see young country majority ni say more humiliations. Eba anything they should get prepared. It was you, my love. 25 Ghanaians omo Germany nyankopon yadoma wo chena ye deport wo mo de omo abagana e de be no omaye Ghana for makumako aduonu enum 25 ena ye deport wo mo ye bo mo abagana biom aden e de no omaye anopa ye bedi no nsum nkomo de amamo ate adumu ninti na ye ti ase eye wadum ti na ye wo nyankopon ya adom a parliament be kwa setena wo chena enti se o chena no mkokoduru ho no mo a ena ye be hunu the fate of the Ajenkwa budget ya minority MPs are rejecting whether the rejection will stand and I said the rejection won't stand. And then we will talk about it very broad. You best cite a whole lot of a year parliamentary orders nibi, and we compare it to the constitution. Don't forget to say the mother constitution. I said the mother law of the land. The 1992 constitution. What does it say as far as elections of a year? Could it be say ye for bad ya fa budget home and I pay and sana omobe to me ama proceedings akoso number being a constitution e pay and sana the speaker of parliament can put a question before the house to vote on. I don't pay. We will talk about it because majority raising a whole lot of concerns and in time pay bidi munkoma 46 minutes after 6 live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. Wofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. A free sub break up him say no do bebo. Come home. And I'm your chief driver. Ya wan komo bibre no ansidi. On himself fix the country demonstration so called so economic league fighters. Omo oye chere and now no fear that no ani nyina mo chere say budget no memo mo nyintum and no man nyantum and before nia esi na no fear that ni ba besie no na National Spare Parts Dealers Association enso ababonten a omo pleaded with MPs and they said they should reject the so-called Ajenkwa budget. Omo di omo say omo frɛ no killer budget into an pay rejection if it will hold omo reaction saying enebeye anopa yebedi munkomo and ya went to say civil society organizations be bring so sorry ya omo ka say no, the budget itself here a very thorough probe. So see I reject it. Parliament as it stands now ne there you betimi aka say parliament are rejected unless and I say until proven by a competent as it stands now and say the budget to find adwuma ya boagu enioma be ni sisi ya nsa na ye ba beduru ba bia ye droi because ye nyina nim say ye both MPP NDC MPs and omu nyina akotena chamber nim afa ye hun ye and MPP for sorry e de omo ankasa omo budget omo ankasa tena se ya prepare no omo dwane di ja ho enti anopai ye bedi mu enkomo omo dwane di ja ho anane ana ekoso no na na ye omo tan e na omo sorry di ja ho e ye de ben potin ne siye ansa na NPP MPs no omo pie afri eye chamber ho no mo anopai se wo kan ye ho a ye be kirikire mu fiko e de ama wa nti enyi fidie ni free ha ne ye wo se wote ne ye wo se ye ka eno ne yesi nkonwa ye de eho nwumadie ebremo nti midini biem Obuoba Ofori Amanfo mepacho sabre yenko na yenkonko esedia ewiembo bre ensem no esi etie and I don't pay ewiembo bre ensem efiri anope yakopem se eda ne bekwa awie ya empanimfo mo no mo hwe ewiembo bre ensem so de aba mo se memfa bi nto etiefo mu tia henkan anope ne ensuo eba and into no more clouds than sand and anope awia bremu no obemu say ye be experience a bit of showers na ewiemu akoso a ayenwun ewiemu akoso a ayenwun eniti eya na ahye ne nso ye kɔ anwumre bremu nso so a ensuo no ebeto a shower a few showers of a year ensuo no we experience it eniti ya na ya hye ne nso e de amame enti in summary no ene ensuo ewo wiem awia kakra bi ena ewo wiem eniti ototo niama na wahwe kwan abefa so a obetutu ni yi na wo ho ankwanko kam eniti mu amutie yen ofo ase ayire bi asene man so across so it is you aba ela no pray omofo na oba na semode